Hello everybody, Robert Crow here with RE/MAX Alliance in Northern Colorado. Thank you very much everybody for joining me today to watch my video on my new listing at 5345 Millstone Way in the Harvest Park neighborhood, Fort Collins, Colorado. Here we are, 5345 Millstone Way in the Harvest Park neighborhood in southeast Fort Collins. This is a beautiful townhome. Now it's a paired home, so you have one shared wall there with your neighbor, and it's a ranch plan, and with it being a townhome, you own the land as well. Unlike a townhouse condo where you just own the interior walls, here you own your own land as well. So beautiful ranch home. You're going to love this one. It's been meticulously taken care of. And this neighborhood is just fantastic. The HOA does an incredible job of taking care of it. And there are specific buyers in Fort Collins that just want this neighborhood because of how well maintained and manicured it is. So come on inside, here we are. As you can see, gas fireplace. You're gonna see a close-up in a minute of those hardwood floors. But this house, it's pristine. It's so incredibly clean. Sometimes I can picture my seller walking around with a toothbrush, just cleaning everything. It's immaculate. So she recently had all those windows replaced. Those are Renewal by Andersen windows, just some of the most energy efficient and reliable windows that you can get. And again, look here, it's absolutely pristine. I challenge you to find some dust in this home. You think it's my mother's house, it's so clean. Beautifully maintained. Look at those floors. All the appliances in the kitchen are staying here. And I did this again to show you. Look at this oven. This is not a new oven, everybody. This is an older oven and it's immaculate. There's our laundry closet. We're going to pop around the corner here first and see our guest room. Now, the current owner on this property is using this as her office. I love that Jerry Garcia painting. Anyhow, very spacious. You know that it's a bedroom because obviously there's an egress window, and then there's your closet as well. And then we'll pop around the corner into our guest bath. Full bathroom. It's a full bathroom when you have a tub and a shower. I mean, you could eat your dinner out of that shower. Please don't do that. That'd be kind of weird. But again, that's just a metaphor for how clean this bathroom is. All right. Little glimpse there of the kitchen again. I'm going to show you the nice little Nest thermostat. Boom. And then come on down the hallway. And we're going to go explore the primary bedroom. Again, look at those floors. You'd expect those floors to have a few scratches on here or there. You'll be amazed when you see it. Beautifully spacious primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and the detached ensuite bathroom. And my seller has just recently updated that bathroom as well. Just immaculate. Really, how many synonyms can I get for clean, immaculate, pristine? Have I said pristine yet? Updated walk-in shower. Now that's an acrylic surround there. Has that subway tile effect. And then we'll see the little half wall there to give you some privacy in the bathroom. And we're going to go down to the basement. Now, I don't normally film basements, but this one's in such good shape. Now, it's being used for storage, of course, but there's an extra 800 square feet of storage down here, and then a little crawl space you'll see off to the right, maybe. There's a rough plumb for a bathroom, so if you need extra living space, this can be turned into a living room and a bedroom. Here's a shot of the HVAC, that hot water heater's newer. There's a humidifier as well, train furnace. So I mentioned to you that the neighborhood is just delightful. So there you can see right in the middle of the shot, we've got our 2-bed, 2-bath townhome, about 1,250 square feet on the main level there. And then, as I mentioned, 800 square feet in the basement. You've got a nice little covered porch and then a nice little side porch. And there's air conditioning as well. This neighborhood has so many parks and walking trails. There was a young boy actually hitting golf balls, an 8-year-old, and he was hitting them straight as well on that field there. All HOA maintained. I guess they call these sports courts. So you could use this for soccer, street hockey, and then there's a little basketball court there as well before we see the children's play area. Again, all maintained by the HOA. And then we're going to see a shot of the pool here in a minute. Not just the pool, but there's also a gym in there. I believe it's closed right now because of COVID. But there you see the kids' play area. There's a nice little pergola for picnics and celebrations. And then I just put the camera over the gate so you can see the pool. That's the gym that I mentioned. Beautifully maintained. I'm Robert. Thanks so much for watching my video on 5345 Millstone Way in the Harvest Park neighborhood in southeast Fort Collins. Please reach out to me using the information on screen below. Any questions, I'm always here to help. And as always, have a smashing day.